Hello guys, welcome. My name is Ada. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete a WhatsApp group chat at once. If you've been wanting to delete, a group chat at once, okay, this video is for you. So the first thing you're going to do is assume you have WhatsApp on your phone. So this is the WhatsApp app, you tap on it. So once you tap on it, you look for the group you want to delete the chat, okay? Then take for instance, this is a group. I tap on the group, okay? Then I go directly to these three dotted lines here, vertical lines, I tap on it. The next thing I'm going to do is to go to more. You go to more, you tap on more. So once you get to more, you're going to see clear chat. Okay, so once you tap on clear chat, it will clear all the chat at once. It will delete all the chat at once and free up your memory. Okay, so let's tap on clear chat. All right, so are you sure you want to clear messages in this chat, delete media in this chat? Okay, so if you want to delete media also, you tick this. But if you don't want to delete the media, if you want to leave the media, you can untick this. Okay, so I want to delete the media. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to tap on is clear. All right, so I've deleted and cleared all the chats in this group. Okay guys, so that is how you can clear or delete chat at once in a WhatsApp group. Hope you've learned one or two things today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. See you guys in my next one and have a lovely day. Bye for now.